What's up, son? Trying to make jollof rice. You want to join me? I give you the best jollof rice you've had. My own is local jollof rice. It comes with Iru. Do you know Iru? You know Iru?
Yes, sir.
Iru? That type that grandma used to put inside there. Yeah. That will have Iru. Then you have like dry fish, a lot of dry fish in this. Yeah. Don't worry. It's also very good it's also very good for COVID-19.